What's up YouTube? It's your boy King Kilo, and today I'm going to talk about one of my favorite pair of shoes that I carried over from 2023 into 2024. Let's get off into the video. So my favorite shoes from 2023 that I'm bringing into 2024 are the Nike Zoom Vomero 5s. These are my favorite shoes to wear, almost as good as my Crocs, because I wear those a lot too. But as you can see, I definitely got some use out of these already. Definitely been wearing these. These are mad comfortable. And if you have any hesitation about getting any Vomero 5s, I'm here to tell you that you should. Because they have good comfort, good cushioning, and it's just a nice stylish shoe. So I know they had like that dad shoe wave at one point. And this is not really like a dad shoe for real, but like this is like one of those trendier shoes that you like see from Nike. And they caught a wave and they were blowing up last year. Kind of died down a little bit this year, but I really don't care. I really bought the shoes to rock. Like I didn't really buy it for the hype. And these are actually going for like $370 now. I bought these retail for $160. And they're going for like $370, which I didn't even know until I like just looked it up before this video. But that's crazy to me because this is just a basic runner shoe. Other than the fact that these glow in the dark, I don't see why these are going for $380, y'all. So y'all tell me, am I missing something? Is there something I need to know about this shoe? Like, was this like a collab or something like that? But yeah, man, I like these shoes a lot. Super comfortable. I always get compliments on them. People always ask me where I get my shoes from. I literally bought these off the Nike app. One of the few shoes that I hit last year for retail, which I'm really grateful for. To pay that $370 price point because that's crazy. But yeah, man, one of my favorite pairs of shoes that I like to wear. Just kind of got on here today just to kind of give a little bit of the versatility in my collection because I do have a lot of shoes, but just highlighting some of the ones that I like to wear a lot or that I wear the most frequent. But yeah, man, these are dope. And if you guys don't have a pair or want to get a pair, either check them out on eBay or Go. I do not use StockX, but if you use StockX, more power to you. You feel me? But yeah, it's just a quick little video just to show you guys what my favorite shoe or my most worn shoe in 2024 has been so far. And it's definitely been these. So that's really much all I got to say. Nothing too crazy about the video today, but you know what I'm saying? Just keep checking me out. I'm just really trying to work my camera and get the best use out of it and figure out my editing style and stuff like that. So if you guys like this video, go ahead and leave a like on the video. Drop a comment down below, leave me some tips, pointers, anything like that. But subscribe to your boy and follow for the next one. Peace. King Kilo out.